I remembered 1 or 2 years ago, I was really struggling in finding where I want to be, ano yung dapat kong gawin, and it came to a point na parang nakaka-depress talaga siya, you know. I remembered na I was doing my work as a freelancer back then. I was juggling a lot of clients. Really happy kasi nga no, ang marami kong kinikita at that point. You know, marami akong ginagawa. Meron akong Instagram page pa noon. I was also handling I think around 200,000 followers at that time for that specific Instagram page. Nagdaran ako ng mga Instagram ads, promotions, all that stuff. So I was making money from that alone. And then I was also doing my social media agency. In a way, nag-shift din siya into a video editing agency as well. And I was making a lot of good money at that point rin. And then, dumating pa yung point na kasi ang raming opportunities na dumarating, you know, na nag-try rin ako ng crypto, nag-try rin ako ng trading. And those happened, I think, within just like the span of 2 years, right? And I can't actually say na it was all bad, but I could say that it was very tiring.